Hi guys, welcome to the technology in the future. Today we are introducing Meizu 17 and Meizu 17 Pro. Meizu with another amazing phone 17 Pro and 17 that is having tons of incredible feature and the specs are on the back. Everything that you can think about is really on the high. The new Meizu 17 Pro is packing the latest chipset available for the smartphone in the market that is called Snapdragon 865. This is the flagship chipset for the flagship smartphone like Meizu 17 Pro. This high-end chipset is backing up by the gigabyte RAM 8x12 capacity. So both these features will make the processing speed and realization speed of the Meizu 17 Pro lightning fast. The internal storage capacity of the handset is also enough to hold things for a long period of time. The handset is packing 128 to 56 gigabytes of internal storage. It shows that the 17 Pro by Meizu will be available in two variants with different RAM capacity and internal storage capacity to give the users more option of affordability. But there is no option of increasing the storage of the Meizu Pro. The 6.6-inch Super AMOLED capacity touchscreen 16mm colors display screen will be there to present Full HD plus the resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The upcoming smartphone Meizu 17 Pro will be having a quad camera setup at the rear. The primary lens will be 64 gigabytes. The telephoto sensor of the phone will be 8 megapixel and there is a gigantic 32 megapixel ultra-wide lens in the new Meizu 17 Pro. There will be a 0.3 megapixel TOF 3D depth as well. The front-facing camera of the phone is also a massive one with megapixel capacity. The battery of the phone is 4500 mAh that is enough to drive the 17 Pro for than a day or longer. Samsung has to think out of the box as there are so many competitors for it in the market. Operating system Android 10, CPU octa-core and GPU Adreno 650, Wi-Fi dual-band Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth 5.1, USB 2.0 Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. Meizu 17 and Meizu 17 Pro same mobiles. So this is information about the Meizu 17 and Meizu 17 Pro. Connected for more updates and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.